Students and educators across the state of Texas celebrate Texas Public Schools annually during the first week of March. In honor of Texas Public Schools Week, each campus in the district has hosted an open house the first week of March to allow parents and siblings an opportunity to visit the campus and see the many educational opportunities afforded in CFBISD. The photos you've seen here are from various campuses across CFB, including Farmers Branch Elementary, Landry Elementary, Rosemead Elementary, Perry Middle School, and Bush Middle School, to name a few. Speaking of Landry Elementary, the Longhorns hosted classroom read-alouds in honor of Texas Public Schools Week. Guest speakers stopped by and read and shared stories with our students on the west side of the district. Stark Elementary took part in Multicultural Day this past Tuesday as students carried their handcrafted passports and visited several countries around the world, learning about culture, food, language, and customs of the countries. It was an awesome experience for all involved. Finally, the first edition of the Inside CFB Magazine has been released online. The purpose of Inside CFB is to share interesting stories about our world-class teachers and staff, our outstanding student body, and special programming and initiatives within the district. There is so much to be proud of in CFB, and we hope you will enjoy reading and learning more about the district community through storytelling. Get your copy online today.